Opendoor is one of the most popular stocks in the markets today. And over the last month, it's up over 97%. The stock's popularity is fueling an interest among retail stock investors who want to create a sort of momentum, creating a boom in the share price, trying to send it to the moon, as they say. So the company's revenue growth has been volatile, soaring to 15.6 billion in 2022. Of course, that's when the housing market was booming in the United States, and since then the housing market has been in a sort of stalemate, with sellers refusing to lower prices to sell and also keeping their homes because they locked in very low mortgage rates, and the elevated prices are failing to bring in new home buyers because of the unaffordability. And so the company's revenue fell to 5.2 billion in the most recent trailing 12-month period, and the management team expects more difficult times in the upcoming quarters as the economy is slowing down. Increasing trade barriers are making it more uncertain for people to go out and make a long-term decision like buying a home. Mortgage rates remain elevated but are on the way down. And that's been really great news for Opendoor, is that lower interest rates and lower mortgage rates makes it more attractive and more affordable for home buyers to jump into the market. It also could unlock some sellers to let go of their homes and their mortgage rates because they can get a new mortgage that's relatively closer to the existing mortgage rates they have, and the difference between what they have locked in and what they can get if they buy a new home and trade down or trade up is not that big. And so that's creating a lot of enthusiasm for Opendoor stock as the company is preparing for more difficult times. It's making lower bids, right? If you are unaware, Opendoor buys and sells homes. It offers to buy your home if you're interested in selling your home and you don't want to go through that whole process, hiring a real estate agent, listing your home for sale, all of that stuff. If you just want to make a direct sale to a company like Opendoor, they'll give you an offer and you can make your sale and move on with your life. You don't have to go through that whole process. Well, Opendoor needs to make a profit, right? So it lowballs homeowners and then resells their homes at higher prices. And it's even making wider bids now. It's even widening that range because it's expecting more risk in the near term. Click the link below to watch the full video.